To ensure optimum use of your B500 and B700 ID GAMAX machines, we recommend applying silicone to prevent issues during polyester assembly by facilitating its sliding. Remember to use DS900 silicone release spray and not other lubricating products. Apply the silicone in two specific areas on the machine, the closing mold marked with the number 2 and the upper mold marked with the number 0. Before starting to apply the product on the mold number 2, place a backing to prevent the silicone from accumulating. Apply the product to the inner contour. For the head part, we will invert the machine to make the application easier and more effective. Subsequently, we will spray the product on the vertical walls.